Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and this is going to be a review of my Brite tactical flashlight. Of course, you're watching it now in strobe mode. That's in the bright mode. That's the dim mode. But let's get some light on the subject here, and we'll show you a little side by side. This is the Brite Tactical Illumination product. Okay, this was my EDC. It's a micro-stream, and you can see the difference in size. This has one AAA battery, and it works quite well. It's probably not as bright as I'd like it to be, but it has been handy in my shirt pocket. This actually looks more like a pen and fits in my shirt pocket quite well, and has a few different modes to it. Okay, I'm going to go over some of the specs of the Brite Strike. Brite Strike. Now, the switch is high, low, and strobe. The LED life is 100,000 hours. Runtime up to an hour and a half on high, 6 hours on low, and 3 hours on strobe. Construction is GN01-T4 anodized aluminum. The prism is glass, the lens. The power source is 2 AAA batteries. The dimensions are 14.5 millimeters by 132.5 millimeters. The weight without the battery is 1.4 ounces, and that's basically it. If we're going to do a side-by-side light test, I'll do that now for you. This is the micro-stream, and this is the Brite Strike. So you can tell the difference. Both have fresh batteries in it. What I failed to mention on the Brite, the Brite Strike, in the bright mode is 160 lumens. That's 160 lumens. Anyway, there you have it, the Brite Tactical Illumination product. It's a real nice, lightweight, and tactical light that you can keep in your pocket every day. This is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.